Hello everyone, and once again this is Ebong, and today we'll be making transparent soap. We'll be working with a soap base. This soap base I actually got it from the market, so you can actually check the market and get yours if you want to make a similar soap like this. So first of all, you have to remove the waterproof. It's usually packaged in a waterproof. You first of all remove this waterproof. Then you start cutting the soap into smaller pieces or smaller chunks. Reason because if you don't cut the soap and you start melting it immediately, it's going to burn. So in order not to have a burnt soap, you have to cut it into smaller chunks or smaller pieces. And if you want to melt this soap, the best method to use is the double boiling method. So you use a double boiling method to melt this soap so it will not burn. You don't want your soap to end up burnt. You just want to melt it and not burn it. So you have to be very careful. Cutting it into smaller chunks will help it to melt equally, evenly, and faster. That is why I'm cutting mine into smaller chunks or smaller pieces. So what we'll be making is a transparent soap base. Just follow the recipes I'll be showing you. The recipes will cause this soap to have a golden color, a transparent golden soap. So watch, follow the recipes, ask your questions where you don't understand. Thank you. So this is the final result of our soap. You can see it has a gold color. What gives it this gold color is actually the saffron strand. So you can see how beautiful this soap looks like. So you can try yours at home, experiment yours, then ask questions in the comment section. If you don't understand what I did, you just drop your questions. I'll be there to answer. So thank you, goodbye, see you on our next video. We'll be dropping another video very soon. Thank you, and I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Help me share this video to your friends. Follow my channel. I'll be dropping some wonderful soap making videos. I really appreciate your effort. Thank you and goodbye.